How to find activity you have turned off. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find some activity on your Facebook that you have turned it off. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app, click on those three lines up there, click on the setting icon beside the search icon, and here scroll down and you're gonna find off a Facebook activity. Now all you need to do is click on disconnect future activity and you're gonna find activity you have turned off. To view and manage the apps and website whose activity you have turned off, click on it and here you're gonna find it. Just enter your password. To click on submit and this is it. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.